A tiny tick bite can have lasting consequences. Here's how to protect yourself naturally. I will be mixing up and showing you exactly my bug repellent spray, which is amazing, all natural. So that recipe is coming up. But let's talk about those ticks. And usually ticks are known to be in heavily wooded or tall grassy areas, in piles of leaves. They're found in wood piles and in gardens. But here's the thing about ticks. They need to attach themselves to a host. So that could be your dog, it could be your cat, it could be a bird, and it could be you if you're out in these environments. But here's the thing, ticks don't themselves jump or fly. So you do need to have, direct contact with the tick itself for it to attach itself to you. Now, with ticks, we know that they could be a carrier of some diseases, and some of the microbes and organisms that they could be carrying can make you very sick. And we know the most well-known one is probably Lyme disease, and that's due to a bacteria that the tick is carrying called Borrelia. So this is something that, again, not every tick is going to be infected with that bacteria, so we don't always have to worry. But yes, we do need to be vigilant if, and inspecting ourselves if we've been out in these environments or our pets have come home after being in these environments because of that possible transmission. But more importantly, we know that there are some herbal medicines which are fantastic to actually deal with Lyme disease. And some of the research has shown that specific herbs, Artemisia and oregano, can be very preventative at actually dealing with that bad bacteria as it's related to Lyme disease. So that's something that's very promising. We don't always hear this information, but I encourage you to look at some of that research. So let's say, that you are going to go out into the woods, you want to be out in nature, which of course is something that I talk a lot about. How do we protect ourselves? Well, you can make your own natural tick and bug repellent recipe, and I'm going to share my recipe with you. And this works amazing. So you're going to spray it all over your extremities, you're going to spray it on your clothing as well, and it really does help to repel not just the ticks, but mosquitoes as well, which is amazing, and it is all natural. Okay, so what we're mixing in here is 10 drops, and you can use a combination, let me just say that, of any of these essential oils. Citronella probably is the most important essential oil that even the EPA has deemed as a bug repellent, so that's amazing. So 10 drops of each: citronella essential oil, peppermint essential oil, lavender essential oil. Lemon essential oil can be one of your varieties, as well as eucalyptus. Now, if you don't have all of these, making sure that you're focusing in on the citronella and the peppermint. I would say eucalyptus as well, fantastic. So I would probably focus in on those. If you don't have the lavender, if you don't have the lemon, that's probably okay. But 10 drops of each of these essential oils, and adjust your recipe if you don't have all 5. But then you are mixing it in with either water or 50 mLs of witch hazel. And you're going to put it all into either a mixing dish, you can put it into a glass container, or even I use plastic. I know is not the best, but this is a plastic spray bottle. It's just convenient for travel and things if you don't want to worry about breaking the glass, and you've got that spray now. And that is something, again, you're going to spray liberally all over your clothes, over your skin, and avoiding your eyes, though. We know with essential oils, you don't want to be rubbing your eyes after you've sprayed this, so wash your hands after you have sprayed. But amazing for helping to repel those ticks and the mosquitoes as well, and any other creepy crawly. It really does work really well. All right, so I did mention herbal medicines for parasites. I talk more about those in this video. So the 4 best herbal medicines for parasites, I want you to check it out. I'll see you there.